What's up, everybody? We're in the garage once again. Video 2 from the 240 series. What's up, Eric? Damn, bro. Can't even see you. Smile, bro, so we can see you. Yeah, we're doing the rear quarter glass on the 240 SX. So, got Eric in there complaining already. He just started and he's already complaining. So, and me and Eddie are over here.
Hey, this car's gonna be good, right?
Yeah, we're over here organizing all of the tools from the toolbox because it's been a mess forever. We're pretty much making like our little to-go toolbox. So when something happens, we just grab the box and go. We don't have to be, you know. Don't you hate how whenever you're in a hurry and you're like, damn, I need tools, and you're just like going through your box, grabbing stuff. So it feels good when you have like a toolbox. Yeah, like me. It feels good when you have a little toolbox just ready, just grabbing, hit the road. So
then he gets in my ass.
Oh wait.
Like, hey, you forgot to.
What else? Tell him everything.
I need the flash food.
Yeah, you signed the NDA, remember? You can't tell him.
I need a 10 socket.
Damn, boy. Get it yourself.
I'm trying to. You're in my way.
But yeah. Today on the 240 video, we're doing the rear quarter glass. Look, guys, this is not a screwdriver. It's a screwdriver.
Used to be.
A screwdriver. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We got some other stuff planned, but we're gonna get this rear quarter glass knocked out. Eric's gonna get it knocked out. You know, we can't do everything for Eric. You know, we gotta leave some stuff for Eric. He just got here too, by the way.
Yeah, I just got here.
Just pulled up, literally just
gotta
pulled
go
up.
work out.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the gym after this. So, dale, Eric. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the tripod up. We're gonna do a quick little time lapse. So we'll do a before and after, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, thanks for watching once again. Remember to hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. And good to see you guys again, by the way. I haven't seen you guys in a while. So stay tuned. Watch this time lapse. It's gonna be fire. He's almost done getting the glass out. Well, he already got it off. He's just picking up all the little shards. Then he's gonna pop the new one in right now. Coming out pretty good so far. So we're almost done over here. We're gonna jump on this side.
Gang, gang.
Vamos a enseñarle pues a la gente lo que está haciendo aquí este maje pues. Don't put your headlight. We got it all cleaned up. Look at that. We're gonna deep inspect. Looks good. Look at you trying to pick up the trash. Hey, you left some tools in there.
I'm gonna pick it up.
Looks good, Eric. Looks good, bro.
That shit was bent. I had to bend it back.
What was bent?
This right here was bent inside.
Oh, you think maybe somebody hit it or something?
I think so.
That's why the glass was broke.
Mira que está separado de aquí. But this is all bent. I straightened it up.
You did body work on it too? Sheesh. Oh, that's what you were over here banging on, huh?
Yeah.
I heard it.
Bent, like this was bent right inside.
Wow. Maybe somebody tried to break the glass. They stuck something in there, and that's what.
Yeah, well, probably they replaced it.
Cool. Compa Eric got it done. So now we're just gonna order a new trim, the little black trim that goes across. And we'll slap the glass on with some new silicone, and it'll be good to go. Almost done. Almost done. Well, we got this done. Thanks to the homies. Appreciate the help. Appreciate the help. And we got some more stickers. Some more stickers. FRS Patty came through with those. El Perico. I'm a professional. Eat more plants. You already know. And then Eric, he found a new spot for his phone whenever he's going live. In case you don't know, Eric, he's addicted to going live.
But nobody gets on.
How come nobody takes me seriously?
Hey, please.
Tell him, Eric.
Follow.
But tell him your Instagram so they can follow you.
Honda EM2.
Got it all cleaned up. I haven't seen this thing this clean in so long, bro. Oh,
You broke my iPhone.
damn. Sorry, we'll get him a new one. ¿Vas a llorar? ¿Vas a llorar?
I got a screen protector.
We got the sockets. Sockets look good. Wrenchies. All the rando stuff. Some more stuff. All the testers and kind of stuff. What is it called? Screwdrivers. Excess amount of screwdrivers. These are all the ratchets that are staying here with us. Then we have a box down here that we made for the emergency to go. For the most part, it's good to go. ¿Qué anda la Denise? What do you want to say to the YouTube, Denise? Say something. Something. So we're going to tackle this another day. We're going to remove every single thing that you see in here. Sand it down, clean it up, and get it ready so Eric can spray it. Nardo grade. I think after we do this, I think I was in between working on the motor or doing the interior. But the interior is really not too important. But it's also one of those things where I can get the motor here, have it on a stand, and start taking it apart, you know, redoing the gaskets, while Eric is tearing apart the interior. Basically, all we gotta do is take it all out, clean it up, you know, dry ice, remove all the sound deadening. That's about it. Other than that, yeah.
Go sleep.
Okay, I'm going there right now.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Love you. Other than that, I'm just moving along. Just moving along pretty quick. It's only been a couple days here and we're already like getting some stuff done to it. So be sure to keep up with the series. Once again, appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you guys next time. Love you all. Peace.